Hello guys, this is my first YouTube video. This will be a how-to tutorial on a item frame lock for your doors. So let's start up. Okay. Wait 1 second. It's not loading. Oh. Okay. So for all the items in my hotbar is all you need, except for this item, the end rod in my hand. So you want to do this. I'm gonna show you all the items that you can use. You can use any type of arrow. You can use, pretty sure, bones, sticks, blaze rods. Let me find the rest. Torches, which is what I'm using. Redstone torches. And I'm guessing that's all the main items, really, that you can use. But I prefer the torch. But it's not my choice. It's yours. So, yeah. Okay. This will be a 6 by 10. And you can extend these little long lines. This is mainly the redstone. And, well, I will show you how this exactly works. Okay, this is my passcode. It's just sideways, diagonal, diagonal. Okay, so, now, this door just shut. Now let's scramble the code, just to show you that it'll work. Okay, so, it was side, diagonal, diagonal, and then it will open. So that's mainly how it will work. And these long lines, you can put these torches to any length that you want. So it doesn't really matter until like it runs fully out, I guess you could say. But I just tried to keep it small and compact. These two at the end, they don't have to be the same. This is your choice. And so, yeah. I hope this isn't confusing for any of you at home. Okay, so, first things first, grab 64 blocks of your choice. I'm just using clay because I thought it'd be okay. So, wait. Okay. Start off in the far bottom left. Yeah. And then you gotta place every one block, you place 2 blocks and then you place another 2 blocks. You can't put them side by side. You skip one space and then place another. Now go behind the 2 things, place one right here, place one right there, and like an L. Then place your item frames down and then place your thing that's gonna be in your item frame. Now go like this. Uh-oh. That was my fault. Okay. That was not meant to happen. Okay, torch right there. Don't mess with it. Grab it, and it's supposed to be facing this direction. Okay. Then place 2 up. Place 2 blocks right there. Break the bottom corner, and then copy that on all of them. Okay, now here's the part where this will tell you how long it is. Okay, you build it out to, well, I'm gonna keep it at 3 so far, but you can really make it as far. Well, not really. I haven't really understood that concept, but okay. Then you place redstone on all of them. Oops. Okay, yeah, you place redstone on all of the tops of them. Okay, second. Oh, no, do not click that. Okay, now place redstone directly under it. Wait, yeah. Place redstone directly under them. And now we're going to show you. I'm going to show you how to set up your passcode. So, just pick out your passcode. See, look. Hold up. I want to get a view of showing. So, oh, my little mistake. Okay. Now, see, if it's diagonal, that'd be 2. Sideways is 3. And then so on and so on. And then it'll cut off soon. Right there. In the middle, it'll go back to 1. So, what I will do, you can choose anything you want to. So, I'm going diagonal, up, and diagonal. Now, wherever there's dark redstone, bust it. I meant break it. Now, place redstone torches directly on the front of each block. And then make sure all the redstone equals, like, lines up with each other. Okay. So, well, actually, I'm changing the code of this one because I'm pretty sure. No, you don't have to. You choose your own code, and then here I'm changing my passcode because I don't want it to be something different. So now we pull out the redstone repeaters, put one right there, and one right there. So place the redstone right there. Then 4 ticks, 4 ticks, and 4 ticks. Now, here comes where you place the door. Skip 2 blocks, and then go to this block. Then make like a frame of a door. Okay. Second, third or fourth, you want to go back here, take the redstone and place it directly right here. Wait. Place redstone right here, and then right there. Now, before you go any farther, get inside of your frame, and like this, go face yourself down and press yourself up against the wall, and then place down the iron door. Now it should be faced like this. Now, you want to place one more redstone. Wait, oh, sorry. I think I messed up. Yeah, I messed up. Sorry. I'm really sorry for this mess up. So, now I'll be fixing my weird mistake. Same thing, place the iron door facing like this, and go place a piece of redstone right here. Now you want to place it like this. It's like an L shape. First you go one down, and then one in under, and then right there. So then you want to place redstone right there, place that in the corner, then connect this up. Now to tell if your thing is working properly, oh sorry, you tell if it's working properly, we're going to test it out. So now we're just gonna scramble up the code, and this should tell you if your door has worked. And then you'll just fill in the gaps like so, and you're really done actually. And then to type in your code, you just go like that. Then, oh boy, I think I forgot my own code. How silly of me. Like this is supposed to be one more input. Now that's off. That switches that off. But this is still powered. Then what you want to do is go to, wait, oh yeah, it's locked, I forgot. So you want to go like that. You want all the repeaters to cut on, and then it should, I'm pretty sure I'm really ruining this right now. So I forgot my code. Please do not forget your code like I have. I'm setting a bad example.